Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to find your recycle bin on your PC or laptop, so if you are interested then keep on watching. So if you will take a look at my desktop, you can see that my PC recycle bin is nowhere to be found. So if you also have a problem like this, don't worry, I will now show you how to fix it. So to make your recycle bin appear, first, what I want you to do is right-click on the empty space on your desktop. And after you right-click, next, go click Personalize. And then go to Themes. And once you're on Themes, scroll down and then you will find the desktop icon settings. Once you've found it, go and open it. So the reason why you can't find your recycle bin is because it is unchecked right here. If this is not checked, the system will automatically hide the recycle bin from your desktop. So just check this in order to unhide it from your desktop. And once you checked it, you can now click Apply. And then after that, it's done. The recycle bin will now appear on your desktop. And so that's just how you find your PC recycle bin, guys. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.